You're so smart, Bella. You're so smart. Keep talking to Mommy. Yeah. Yeah. Bella just said that she likes her Tom and Jerry that she watches on television. Huh, Bella? You like Tom and Jerry? You're only 14 weeks old and you like Tom and Jerry. She has her little chickie sitting with her. Bella? Bella? Do you know your name already? She said, Mommy, don't bother me. I'm watching cartoons. But Bella, tell Mommy that you like cartoons. Bella, tell Mommy you like cartoons. You like cartoons? Say, yes, I like cartoons. Right, okay, I'll stop bothering you. You can watch cartoons with your chickie baby. Huh? Is that your chickie baby? Yeah. Right. Oh, yeah. You're such a smart girl. You're only 14 weeks old. Okay. Alrighty. There's Sammy in the background. Yeah. You and Sammy chilling, watching Tom and Jerry. At 14 weeks old. You're just being a show-off. You're just being a show-off now. Say goodbye, Bella. Bella, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. What a wonderful baby. Yeah. Okay, let's show, though, real quick, that you love your chickie. Yeah, you love your chickie.